number 5 here is an example of a glide reflection. And remember, a glide reflection is really a double transformation. We're doing first a translation to get a prime image, and then we're taking that prime image and we're reflecting it. That means every original point from the original image is mapped onto a new double prime point because it goes through those two different transformations. Okay, so what we're going to do is take 2 points, C, D. C is at 2, -5, and D is at 4, 0, and I've drawn those on this graph down here. And we're going to create a glide reflection that takes them through 2 steps. First, we're going to translate it, and it looks like the x still remains x, so it's not shifting left or right, but the y values go up 4. So we're going to first translate it 4 units up. After we do it, then we'll reflect it across a vertical line. Okay, so first of all, if I take C and D, and I remember the rule is that we're going to change the y value so that they're all 4 units higher. 1, 2, 3, 4. C prime is going to be that point right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. D prime is going to be that point right there. And so after that initial translation, you have a new prime image. But that's not the entire glide reflection. Remember, we still need to take that new prime image and reflect it across the line x equals 3. X equals 3 is this horizontal, or excuse me, this vertical line right here. And we're not reflecting our original line segment, we're reflecting our new prime line segment. Okay, so what we're going to do is take C prime, and since it is 1 unit away from the line of reflection, we're going to put it 1 unit on the other side. We can't call it C, we already have a C. We can't call it C prime, we already have a C prime. So we're going to call it C double prime. It originally came from C, but it went through 2 different transformations. Let's look up here. D prime is also 1 unit away from that line, so we put it 1 unit on the other side. This becomes D double prime. And now I can connect C double prime to D double prime, and I get this line segment in here. So that is the entire glide reflection that takes us from line segment CD to line segment C double prime, D double prime.